major incident was reported from Tiptur, where hundreds of farmers from Halkurike and nearby villages laid siege to the Halkurike Power Station over inadequate electricity supply. The farmers, frustrated by the irregular power supply, gathered in large numbers and expressed strong anger against the BESCOM department, accusing officials of neglecting their repeated complaints and putting their crops at risk. According to the farmers, BESCOM has failed to provide sufficient electricity for the past 2 months, severely affecting their agricultural activities. They alleged that the department has been playing with the future of their crops by not ensuring regular power supply. Farmers in the region cultivate coconut, arecanut, and several short-term crops, all of which depend heavily on a stable electricity supply for irrigation. Earlier, BESCOM used to provide nearly 7 hours of electricity every day, which helped them maintain their farms and protect their crops. However, over the past few months, the power supply has become highly irregular, leading to severe water shortages for irrigation. As a result, many crops have started drying up, causing major financial losses and increasing frustration among the farming community. Unable to bear the losses, the angry farmers surrounded the Halkurike electricity office and to the power station, demanding immediate action from the authority. The situation created tension in the area as farmers raised slogans and demanded a stable and uninterrupted power supply to save their standing crops and protect their livelihoods. Will BESCOM take immediate action to ensure regular power supply and prevent further losses for farmers in the coming days? Reported by Kalmesh Mandyal. For more such update, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.